Hi, this is Sebastian from Die Productions, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to render your project. Um, right, I just do something together real quick. It's not great. I just my name and it explodes into stars. I can get it to play. Oh, God damn it. See, um, this tutorial was requested by JadenxJesseForever. I take it they're a yaoi lover. Um, But pretty much all you do once you have your comp completed, you go to composition, add to render queue, and when you have all that, this thing pops up. Now it might be connected to one of these docks or something. You can just right click on it and undock panel, and down here render settings, click on custom. There doesn't seem to be anything we need to change in there. Click OK. On output module. Now this is what you really need. Custom. Okay. Format video for Windows. You could change it to MPEG, MP3 if it's just music. Anything you really want. What I would recommend clicking on is just keep it video for Windows. Embedded, none. Post render action, none. Video output. This is all pretty good. Your basic settings. Down here, you're going to click audio output. Make sure you check this little box. If you have audio, you won't hear it unless you do. And once you have that, click OK. Make sure you make a output file. And once you click the little thing they have, it'll come up and it'll give you an area to save, and you can name it render test. There you go. Save. And once you have all of that done, click render. And it might take a couple seconds. It should render it out. It'll go through and scrub all the effects, clean them up, make them prettier. It's taking longer than I thought it would. Alright. And it does a fancy little sound for you. Shows you that it did render. We can see that it did by if I go to my computer wasn't so slow. Alright, oh yeah, here we go. When you see it did render, it'll open up in Windows Media Player. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just comment, tell me what you think, subscribe, and make requests. That's the most important thing because I don't know what to make for you guys if you don't make requests. And see if it actually worked here. My Windows Media Player is kind of iffy, but it works. There you go, as you can see. Oh. Yeah, we're just gonna finish now.